Yo guys, this is TVP Kiko here. My YouTube name is Travis Hutton, and I'm just going to turn on my Xbox here. This is my Xbox. Over there, I can't see it, sorry. Right there. And we're going to be doing some quick scope or something, or else on Bo2 or whatever, like, just... And this, just a control. Right. Alright guys, we might be doing some, we're just going to do some, like, any random rules. So we might do sniping, or we might do some machine guns, so, and I still don't know XP on it. If I fucking need it. Hope you're level else. What take a top off, celebrate no champagne pop off, yeah. I need nobody's attention, yeah. Gonna get a sniper next game. Us, look. Oh fuck. Just use a fucking... fucking dick. Oh, little fucker. Little motherfucker. Motherfucker titty sucker. Oh fuck. Fuck that loot, sorry. Right, I'm just going to get a sniper here. For fucking... oh, that is good. No, yet. Oh, yeah, fucking... change it real down. Everything there. Right. Oh, fuck off. Oh, shut up, Yankee. Fuck off. Fuck off. Ooh, booby. I'll show you a good thing. Oh, fuck that shit. Right, I'm going to try find it. Oh, shit. someone in the background, guys. That's my brother. Fuck up. Kurt, did you ask Dad? Here, after this here, we're going to do some Minecraft shit. Your mum fucking. This is Jackie. This is Chris. He likes pussies. His YouTube name is Your Mum's Fab Pet or something.
Fave. Fave, man.
Fave.
I don't go on YouTube anymore. Tuition's for gays.
No,
Especially guys.
Fuck off. Oh, suck my dick. Your mum's favourite kid. I'm your mum's favourite kid. I suck fun.
Sit down, quick. Quick, sit down, quick.
Curse word already up here. Boom boom! Right, fuck that shit. I'm going to Minecraft. Right.
Man, I've actually never played Minecraft yet.
We're going to do some Minecraft now because it's really getting boring.
Aren't we going with war?
Huh?
Aren't we going with
Yeah. Here, I'm going to do one of zombies, okay?
We're playing Minecraft, you woollyhead.
You woolly sucker. Here, right, that's here. If you like, I don't think you would really like that, it's just kind of shite. If you like that, please subscribe and like.
Peace out.
And I'm out, peace. You cannot see me. Kurt, did you ask Dad if he's listening?
Obviously not.
Sorry, Mum said.